More homes on the market brought out the buyers, but didn't drive down prices. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Understanding the choices buyers had during April is a matter of perspective. Yes, compared with April 2020, there were fewer homes on the market in most East Bay communities. However, there were significantly more homes for sale during this April compared with the first few months of 2021. More homes for sale and more homes sold, up almost 100 units compared with March. What's remarkable about the strong sales activity is that sales prices were also way up. The median sales price topped $1 million in La Miranda, the Tri-Valley, the 880 Corridor, and Central Contra Costa County. That's the big picture. Now, let's check out the 880 Corridor. Homes for sale. The big increases were in Alameda and Oakland. Limited supply in Castro Valley, Fremont, and Hayward. Prices, double-digit increases everywhere. Alameda, Albany, Berkeley, Castro Valley, Fremont, Newark, Oakland, and Union City, all more than $1 million. Sales, strong. Sales more than doubled in Alameda, Albany, Newark, Oakland, and San Leandro. Next up is West Contra Costa County. Homes for sale. Fewer choices for buyers everywhere compared with last April. Prices up significantly everywhere except for Richmond. Sales up compared with last April everywhere except for El Sobrante. Now we're going to Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale way down compared with last April. Martinez and Pleasant Hill down more than 50%. Prices up more than 20% everywhere. Clayton up 27% to 1.128. Sales, big increases from more inventory during the last few months. Sales more than doubling everywhere. Okay, here comes La Miranda. Homes for sale. Lafayette added 6 homes, but supply down in Moraga and Orinda. Prices, modest increase in Lafayette, while prices approached $2 million in Moraga and Orinda. Sales, significant increases in Lafayette and Orinda. Let's check in with the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale. Compared with last April, fewer homes on the market. Danville and Dublin both down more than 60%. Prices, record-setting. Alamo approaches $2.5 million. Livermore, Pleasanton, and San Ramon all up more than 30%. Sales, high prices, no problem. Sales way up from last April. Sales more than doubled in Alamo, Danville, Livermore, and San Ramon. And finally, we go to the Delta. Homes for sale down from last April. Antioch, Brentwood, Discovery Bay all down 60% or more. Prices, more double-digit increases. Brentwood up 27% to $792. Sales, strong. Brentwood up more than 150%. One more peek at the big picture. Pending sales were up everywhere in the East Bay during April, which means this strong sales activity will continue through the spring. Stay healthy. We'll see you next month.